Remember when I said there were literally trees growing through Mountain Slidewinder? Looks like they've officially begun actually demolishing it. No more trees going through it because it's not there anymore. So I think this whole plot back here will be a great spot for a new thrill coaster, like a twister type layout. Like maybe the Mack Extreme Spinner they're supposed to be, or hopefully going to be getting, or even just a normal multi-launch. I think would be great in this area if they could make it work, and it would give Owens Farm another ride other than Barnstormer, which right now the line's spilling out to the midway. So maybe their plan is just to extend Barnstormer's queue out here, but I really hope not. Really hope there's a new coaster coming here. I was gonna see if I can get a better view from over here. The answer is no. No, you can't. But anyways, Mountain Slidewinder has just been sitting there for like a long time, like 3 years I think since its closure, and they're just now starting the demolition, which is kind of crazy. You can see a concrete cutout where the slide used to come down. It is completely gone. They have left a bit of the concrete siding up there, but it looks like from that angle we got a second ago that they're starting to bust that up. So, but Slidewinder itself and its queue wrapped around here all the way up by Wild Eagles Immelman, past Wild Eagles Immelman. Wild Eagles Immelman's there, but it wrapped all the way kind of up to close to the course queue, I think. So there's a lot of space back there. We did a coaster, and like I said, I think this would be a great spot for it because right now, really the only attraction in Owens Farm is Barnstormer, and this is interesting. They actually cap off the splashpad water jets for the winter. I do think a splashpad update would be cool too, but it's entirely possible they take out this splashpad in order to have a larger entrance into said coaster. If that's the route they end up going. I'm remembering now there used to be a whole staircase up, probably to almost the height of the roof of Barnstormer's queue. Yeah, it's all gone. Completely. Just rubble. Gosh darn, you're so loud, but I'm happy you're open. Oh, they're running both sides? Ah, sweet. We get a little closer to the construction here. Looks like they have a lot of junk to haul off. Some more weird construction. They set up a fence here. There used to be a splash pad down there that opened with the area in 2019. It closed due to COVID and never reopened. And as you can see, they put up fences and completely torn it up. You can see the water pipes still there, but the actual pad is gone, which is odd. So I don't know if there was some kind of defect with the water system or the structure or something, and that they're having to fix, or if they've just decided they don't want a splash pad anymore. But that's weird because it was only here for like less than a year, because it opened halfway through 2019, and then they didn't have it due to COVID. It never opened again, so it's only open for like half a season. It's very strange. They've been updating all of their map signs around the park. This is the new one, brand new one, not even an update. Here's some of the hillside up here. This will be the far end of the 2023 coaster. Just wanted to walk through here and look at this area again. When I looked at those coaster plans, I said it was probably going to launch. That launch would be right along here. And then here's what I said when it would ride along this hillside here. It's a hillside, so it'll kind of overlook the area. I think it's going to look sick. There's Dragonflyer, and over here, this is where the pathway abruptly ends, where it would go into the entrance for the 2023 coaster. I looked through the fence. There are some random markers back there. But I believe they are shooting off fireworks from there for their holiday fireworks show, which is probably why they haven't started any construction yet. I saw from the top of Thunderhead. Looks the same as it did last time, but I figure after Christmas time, after they're done, because they're using that for fireworks staging right now, then I think that's when they'll start construction, and hopefully we'll see some progress made when the park reopens in March. Back here is a really tight area where it would just be straight track, where they'd probably be putting the launches. But yeah, I should really round out this area because you'll see it wrapping around that way. It's gonna look good. It's gonna make where it kind of feels incomplete with the hillside there feel a lot more complete. Lumberjack's Pizza still closed for staffing, which is sad because I think this is better than Victoria's Pizza. What's interesting is on the map, they've changed the description of it to say it's a sandwich restaurant. So I don't know if that's just an error on their part or if they're going to convert it. I really hope they don't convert it. I like it as is. It's not open now. I'm going to go look at this food truck park place. We looked at that a little bit last time. It's funny to me, Dollywood doesn't seem like a park that would just let food trucks in. And I really don't see how it helps with the mealtime crowds that much, but we'll go find out. Okay, so this cracks me up. We have 2 food trucks. We're using a Dippin' Dot stand as the order place for the food trucks. So they have the entrance and exit to Tennessee Tornado and the entrance and exit to getting stuff from food trucks all shoved in this one plaza that used to just be a nice place to view the ride. So I can't say I'm a fan of this, but it's here. Oh my gosh, there's more. There's more food trucks. What the heck? Over in the plaza. Oh my gosh, there's another food truck. Why? Why? Hope you guys enjoyed those updates on the current Dollywood construction projects I'm aware of, as well as just some other observations of different changes I made around the park on my latest visit this last Saturday, which was December 4th, I believe. So guys, let me know what you think about any of this, what any possible theories about anything are. That's always fun to talk about. And otherwise, see you in the next one.